October 1st, 2020, Daily Math Review. The steps Joey took to evaluate the expression 12 plus 4 times the quantity of 25 plus 5, end quantity, divided by 6 minus 8 are given below. So Joey did all of these steps. We're going to take a look at them more closely. The question is, what should Joey have done differently in order to evaluate the expression? So what should he have done differently? So first, before we even look at the steps, let's see what he did. So first, we have our order of operations. Let's see how we actually do solve this. So our order of operations, do we have parentheses? Yes, we do. So the first step he would do is solve those parentheses, which is 20 plus 5. Did he do that? Yes, he did. So I'm going to actually highlight that. So he did that. Great. Now the next step that he should have done, if there are there any exponents? No, there's not. So let's see. There's no exponents, so we're going to check that off. What about multiplication or division? Yeah, so when you do solve for this 25 plus 5, that does equal 30. And remember, we'll bring everything else down we did not use yet. So I'm going to bring that down. Ooh, there we go. And I'll bring this down in front of it. So remember, those parentheses means multiply. So this 4 with the parentheses, that means multiply, remember. So 12 plus 4 times the quantity of 30, end quantity, so 4 times 30, divided by 6 minus 8. Well, first of all, Joey did correctly 25 plus 5, which equals 30. That's right. There's no exponents. What about multiplication or division? Yeah, we have multiplication and division. And how do we go about that? Oh yeah, from left to right. So beep, 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 beep. So multiplication. So 4 times 30. Uh-oh, is that what Joey did? He did 12 plus 4. What? Joey, what did you do? He did 12 plus 4. You can't do that before you multiply or divide. So let's take a look at our options over here. So what should he have done differently? So he should have multiplied 16 times 25 instead of 16 times 30. Well, no, we said multiplication. We said we have to do 4 times 30. So did he subtract? He should subtract 6 minus 8 before dividing. No, you don't subtract before dividing. He should divide 30 divided by 6 before multiplying. No. How about should he have multiplied 4 times 30 before he added? Yeah, he should have done that. So he tried to add before multiplying. So that is incorrect of what he did. But don't worry, we fixed it and we helped him out. Great job.